What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the vlog. Today we'll be working on my E46 M3, but before we get started, let's go take it for a wash first. So one thing that been bothering me about this car is the wheel gap. You know what they say, your wheel gap is so damn high. Well, today we'll take care of that. My goal today is 0 wheel gap. Hopefully I can get it low enough where the wheel barely tuck over the fender, or tuck under the fender, I mean. So at the front we will have about 3 finger gap, and the rear we have about 3 finger gap as well. Well, let me get started. So I did forget to mention that the coilover I have are BC Racing, and installing these are a lot easier than I expected, because on the shock itself there are 16mm, and right behind the brake hose it is a 18mm, and once you remove that and the 3 bolts on top, you just pop the shock right out and put the new one on. These are already maxed on the height adjustment, so it is hitting the bottom of the body and it's not going down any further. So these are maxed out, and as far as the preload, I don't want to touch it. I know I can go a lot lower if I just lower the preload right here down to meeting this other perch, but I'm not gonna do that. So right now, only thing I have to do left is just tying up the perches. Remember, always use a torque wrench to tighten down those lug bolts, because the worst thing you want to do is snap one of them if you tighten too hard. There it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. So the front I'm very happy with, because that's exactly how low I wanted to go low, but the sad part is the rear. Unfortunately, there's still a 1 finger gap because when I bought these coilover, they did not come with the rear springs. So as for now, I'm using the H&R lowering spring. Not sure you can see it, but it's the blue one. I mean, compared to what it was, compared to stock, is a lot better. So hopefully in the meantime I can find a pair of rear spring. So if you guys know someone or know someone that knows someone that are selling a pair of rear coilover spring, let me know. I'll be happy to pick them up or have them shipped to me. Well, that was exhausting. I'm very happy with the outcome today. So if you guys have any ideas or recommendation of what I should do next, please comment below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.